Hi everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna share 3 hidden features in Framer that you probably didn't know about. The first one is to upload videos as images. So let me show you what I mean. I will go to Midjourney and download one of their videos. And next I'm gonna go to this website right here and upload the video that I downloaded. So what this website does, it converts your MP4s to WebP images. So right now this video is still an MP4, but first let's change the frame rate to 20 maybe, and then click to convert to WebP. So right now this is not a video anymore, but it's an image. So let me show you. I will right click and it says save image as and not video. So I will save it. And next I will go to Framer and now I'm in the Framer CMS. So here it says image and we cannot upload videos, but let's try it out and drag this video inside. As you can see, it's loading and now we have to wait because it is a pretty big file. And voila guys, now we have a video instead of an image. So let me go to blog. I will click on the article. And voila guys, now we have a video instead of an image. So you can use this in your CMS and other parts of your website. Next is a style feature. So I'm gonna select a breakpoint, then go to styles and then click on selection. Right here we have two blues. One is the primary color and the other one is the secondary with a 15% opacity. So I'm gonna select this color first and change it to this orange. Copy the color and then paste it right here. And we need to keep the 15% opacity. So now let's close that and preview. Nothing happened, but now when I select a text, as you can see, we have an orange color and an orange tint instead of the blue one. So this is great when you want to use your brand colors on your website. So I will say it is a nice feature as well. And for the last feature, I'm gonna create a new frame, press Ctrl X, go to layers, select the content and paste it inside the stack right here. Change the position to absolute, center it and align it to the left. Go to height, change the height to relative 100%. And let's change its color to, I don't know, maybe a light blue. And now move it outside the stack. So let me see, I'm gonna use a -300 pixels. Duplicate this frame and align it to the right. So let's unpin it from the left and pin it to the right. And now type in -300 pixels. Alright, select both of them. Go to fill, switch to image, and right here it says type and fill. Now switch to tile. And here we have different patterns. My favorite one is this one. And let's preview this. So yeah guys, these are the 3 features that I wanted to show today. I hope you liked them. See you next time.